Discover a world of sporty elegance, groundbreaking technology, and luxurious rear space in the exceptional new BMW 5 Series sedan and BMW i5, meticulously crafted for the Chinese automotive aficionado. Engineered with precision, tailored for the Chinese market, these iconic models redefine sophistication and comfort, delivering an unparalleled driving experience. Unveiling unmatched comfort, experience opulent rear space like never before. With an extended wheelbase and distinctive proportions, the new BMW 5 Series sedan and BMW i5 offer a haven of relaxation, further accentuated by exclusive features that redefine luxury. Ignite your senses, immerse yourself in a symphony of style and innovation. The BMW Curved Display, BMW Interaction Bar, and advanced BMW iDrive with QuickSelect seamlessly unite human and machine, pioneering a new era of interaction. Radiate brilliance, captivating from every angle, the striking exterior blends signature BMW elements with avant-garde design, tailored to the aspirations of a dynamic Chinese generation. The bold front, with its contemporary twin headlights and extended grille, commands attention and respect. Unrivaled Entertainment, elevate your journey with the BMW theater screen, a 31.3-inch panoramic display with 8K resolution and 5G connectivity. Immerse yourself in a world of high-quality video streaming, enhanced by the Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system, transforming your ride into a moving private cinema. Crafted for excellence, luxuriate in the opulent interior adorned with crafted clarity glass applications, a titanium bronze inlay, and exquisite quilting. With 4-zone automatic climate control, embossed headrest logos, and bicolor seat design, every detail is a testament to unrivaled craftsmanship. Electrifying performance. Embrace the future with the all-electric BMW i5, joining the legendary BMW 5 Series sedan lineup. Redefine efficiency and power with a car that mirrors your forward-thinking lifestyle. A legacy of success, building upon a legacy of over 10 million BMW 5 Series vehicles, these models continue to dominate the Chinese market, with over 500,000 units delivered from 2020 to 2022 alone. Crafted in China, for China, proudly produced exclusively for the Chinese market at the state-of-the-art Dadong plant in Shenyang, a testament to our commitment to delivering excellence to Chinese drivers. Experience the future of automotive luxury and innovation. Embrace the allure of the new BMW 5 Series sedan and BMW i5, where elegance meets groundbreaking technology in perfect harmony. Elevate your drive today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for thrilling adventures, expert insights, and exclusive content. Join our vibrant community and never miss a moment of excitement. Hit that subscribe button now and be part of the journey.